Meaning of huarache.
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 Huarache. Huarache is a type of sandal or shoe that originated from Mexico. The word huarache comes from the Purépecha language meaning sandals. Traditional huaraches are made from woven leather strips and have a distinctive woven pattern on the upper insole. Today, they are also available in modern materials such as rubber, foam, and synthetic leather. Huaraches are popular for their comfortable, lightweight design and are often worn by people in warmer climates. They have become a fashion statement in recent years and can be seen in various styles, colors, and patterns.